Hey everyone, welcome back. Does Rocket Money crash especially when you pull down to refresh your linked accounts? Here's the fix. First, force close Rocket Money completely from your recent app list since attempting to refresh again right after a crash on the same broken system usually crashes it again. Reopen the app fresh, wait for the dashboards to fully load in on its own before manually refreshing anything. Go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then turn it back off to reset your connection. Since a refresh crash is very often tied to an unstable connection timing out mid request, reopen the Rocket Money on that fresh connection and try refreshing again gently, giving it time to complete instead of pulling down repeatedly. If it keeps crashing on the fresh refresh, especially, then go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps, find the Rocket Money app, tap on it, and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and then search for Rocket Money. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap reinstall to clear a corrupted sync process that's causing the crash. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen fresh, reset your connection, refresh gently and offload and reinstall if it proceeds. Refreshing your account stops crashing the app and that's it. Subscribe.